Welcome to another episode of Asset Pilot, and in this case we're going to be previewing the assets section. So how to create a new asset, you click on the new asset button. You can add your images. Remember, you can upload up to 5 images. You can add the name. Also the department, if it belongs to any. If there's a project attached to this asset, you can select it as well. And the category, you can select it as well. So an automated asset tag and an automated serial number will be generated according to the category and the department and the project selected. So these are, it will read FUR for furniture, that's the category, then IT, that is the department group, then MGA 2026, that is the name of the project that this asset has been assigned to, and the number 001. Then you can add your own custom serial number in case the asset has its own serial number. You can add the purchase cost. You can select the purchase date as well, the brand, if there is any, the supplier who supplied this asset, the status of the asset, whether it's disposed, available, or assigned, the location of the asset. Then you can add the warranty start date and the warranty expire date, so you can use this section to track the warranty of the asset. Also the asset expiry date, you can use this section to notify you when the asset has expired. The insurance start date and the insurance expiry date. If the asset has been insured, you can use this section to track the expiry date of the asset and will be notified once the insurance has expired. Then we have the maintenance frequency and the maintenance frequency unit. So after maybe 2000 kilometers of the machine being used, you'll be able to get a notification to conduct a maintenance, or if it's 20 days, 2 weeks, 300 cycles, 300 hours, depending on the asset. And current usage, so in case it's a machine, let's say a vehicle, the current usage at the time when it was being loaded to the system, whether it's 80,000 kilometers, whether it's 80,000 miles, whether it's 200 cycles, 200 hours, depending on the machine. You can add documents, the purchase documents, you can add the receipts, warranty document, the insurance, so you can add up to 8 documents per asset. Once you've loaded the data, you click on create. So in any place where you see a star, that's a mandatory field that needs to be filled. So in this case, the acquisition type is owned. So anywhere you see a red star, that's a mandatory field. And when you click on create, the asset gets created. And if you come to the asset list, it's right over here. The next section, let us try to add a new asset through importation. You click on import assets. You download the CSV example. This will guide you on the fields that you need to add to the CSV. So if you click on upload, you can select the CSV file. So once the columns have loaded, so these are the mandatory columns that you'll have to add to the CSV file: the name, the category name, the serial number, the purchase cost, the status, and the location name for the asset. You click on start import. Then you'll receive a notification, asset imported successfully. And if you go over to the asset list. It is over here as the office chair. Then as well, you can export the asset list. You click on the export button. You can select the columns that you want to export and click on start export. You'll be provided with a dialog notification to either download as CLX, an XLS or a CSV file, and your file will be downloaded. There's an option to export PDF reports. So you select your preferred filter category. If it's a category, let's go with furniture, and any other assignment filters according to your preference. Also the colors that you like to preview. Then you can also change the orientation. You can select either an A4 style, letter, or a legal. And also the orientation, you can change it as well as to a landscape or a portrait. Then you can click on submit. The PDF file will be downloaded and you'll be able to preview your report as desired. So thank you, and let's watch out for the next episode on components.